My lowest point, when I pushed away the only ones that ever gave me a chance.
Nothing but the proof of what I am.
I trust you.
Worst of what I came from.
Finally begin to
Patterns I'm
understand each
ashamed
other.
of. Things that even I don't understand. I try to fix it. I try to fight it. My head was
I've written
twisted.
myself into a
My
corner.
heart divided. My
Nowhere
lives
left to
all
go.
collided. I don't know why I didn't trust you to be on my side. I broke into a
From that last
million
blast
pieces.
against the death
Can't go back, but
Keep it.
now I'm seeing all the beauty
for all the
in the
goopy, sappy
broken
memories
glass.
we're
The
apparently
scars are part of me,
Will our
darkness and
friendship
harmony.
last?
My voice without the lies. This
That's a
is
weird
what
thing
it
to say,
sounds like.
but I guess it just depends on how things go in the future, huh?
Inside my head, I should've let the
Better pick a lane.
Instead, show me what's underneath. I'll find your harmony. The song we couldn't write. This is what it sounds like. We're shattering the silence. We're rising, defiant, shouting in the quiet. You're not alone. We listen to the demons. We let them get between us. But none of us are out here on our own. So we were cowards. So we were liars. So we're not heroes. We're still survivors. The dreamers, the fighters. No lying, I'm tired. But dive in the fire and I'll be right here by your side.
I would have done it.
We broke into a million pieces and we can't go back. But now we're seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The stars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like. Why do we cover up the colors stuck inside our head? Get up and let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. Fearless and undefined, this is what it sounds like. 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 We broke into a million pieces and we can't go back. But now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like. Why did we cover up the colors stuck inside our heads? Get up and let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. Fearless and undefined, this is what it sounds like. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like. Fearless and undefined, this is what it sounds like. Truth after all this time, our voices all combined. When darkness meets the light, this is what it sounds like.
Weapons! What are you doing? What? Jealous I'm hogging your spotlight, Shakespeare?
You understand what's at stake, right? I'm not sure what'll happen. I don't think we'll be coming back.
Yeah, well, I always hated encores anyway.